On August 12th at exactly 7 p.m., something powerful is going to happen for you. There is someone you're emotionally connected to who is going to reach out again. They're going to confess their feeling and they're going to want to take the relationship to the next level. If you feel like this video is for you, comment I claim it, share it, and follow me now. It's not a coincidence that you found this video. This person is hiding how they truly feel. They have an ego, they avoid showing vulnerability, but deep down they're afraid of losing you. They can feel that the two of you are connected, and very soon they're going to reveal what's really in their heart. If you want to speed things up, if you want him or her to reach out again, think about this person and feel that connection even more deeply. I recommend my love ritual, available through the link in the description. Hundreds of women have already manifested with it, and some have seen results within just a few hours. Honor this energy, click the link in the video, and follow me for more manifestation content.